Hello everyone, welcome to Vasoltar Prediction. Today this important video I'm recording just because of the fact that there are two important announcements which I need to make, like two important messages which I need to share. Okay, so bear with me for a few minutes. This is good for you all. This is good for the transformation which is happening during the month of June. Okay, so on 5th of June there was a full moon. Okay, and that full moon was was continuing for 2 days, like 5th of June and 6th of June 2020. Okay, and this important full moon actually helped all the zodiacs for a lot of major shifts, major transformation in their life. It might be related to starting of a new job, new business, ending of a job, ending of a business, separation of two couples, or reconciliation of two couples. Okay, so two people, yeah. So basically this transformation, how you are going to feel and what you are going to go through, okay, that I am going to talk about. So basically when I did the reading, almost most of the zodiacs are going through this major shifts, major transformation, internal healing, internal transformation, toxic energies around them. They are going through it currently. Okay, this is not for just 1%, 2% out there. Almost 80% of the citizens in around the world, around the globe, are going through the same process. Why? Because there are three major eclipses are occurring this month, during this June month. Okay, and these three major eclipses will be trying to shift your thought process, trying to change your perspective, trying to change your external environment. Okay, so let me tell you, the people who are thinking about their career. Okay, so basically agar if there are major shifts which is being happening in almost all of the zodiacs, so I'll be talking about all the zodiacs. Okay, like not particularly, but overall I'll be telling you that. Okay, that for the people who are going through some career tensions, problems. Okay, and if your money was stuck up before, and they are going through karmic cycle, karmic relationships, spiritual relationship, spiritual cycles. Okay, so those are coming to an end, those cycle is coming to an end at the end of June. Okay, and now once this cycle comes to an end, there will be new job opportunity, new business opportunities. There might be few people who will be starting their business. There will be people who will be starting a new job. There will be people who will be ending up a job, existing job, and starting up a new job. And so a lot of major shifts in the career will be happening. Okay, so do not worry about it. If you are into tension currently, okay, do not worry guys. Okay, because I'm going to tell you that you will be questioning yourself during this time. You will be going through some internal healing, internal questioning yourself, that how I am supposed to move forward. You will be having very confused energy. You will be thinking about your life, that what are you supposed to do, why life is important, what major shifts you need to do into your life. Okay, so you will be going through a lot of questioning yourself, self doubt process. Okay, so do not worry about it, because every single person out there, you are not just an individual person. Almost every single person out there are going through the same healing, same internal process, same transformation. So do not worry about it. Okay, so now there are people who are into separation mode. Okay, so those who are who are into separation, and those who were twin flames, spiritual connections. Okay, now when I talk about twin flames, it's just your twin has occurred again this life, because this relationship is from the past life. Okay, so twin flames are those kinds of spiritual connections. Okay, and that has been guided by spiritually, like from God. Okay, from divine. Okay, so those who were into a separation mode, those will be coming together. Okay, so the completion of a karmic cycle, completion of a spiritual connection will be coming to an end. Okay, and starting of something new will be happening for you guys. Okay, yes. So, and the people who are thinking about that want to enter into a marriage or not, want to go for marriage or not, like who are planning to get married but was on hold. Okay, so those you guys have the time again to think about it. Why? Because if you got rocafied and you are thinking to that you want this connection or not. Okay, so if you have 1% of the doubt, then do not go for it. Okay, because this is the second time god is universe is trying to give you hints, like that you are supposed to do something right or not for you. Okay, so yeah, and if there is some karmic cycle, some situations, bad situations, toxic situation, toxic people were around you from so many years. Okay, those things will be coming to an end, those endings will be there. Okay, so yes, negative energies might be coming back into your life, past life connections might be coming back into your life. So if negative energies are coming back, do not go for it. Okay, if the people you think are toxic around you, do not go for it. Okay, move away. There will be people, there will be major shifts happening when it comes to a connection, relationships. So there are few relationships which will be finally coming to an end, like a full stop into few relationship, and those relationships will be karmic cycle. Like karmic cycle is coming to an end at the end of the June. Okay, between 27th of June to 30th of June. So those karmic cycle will be coming to an end, and you will be putting hold to a particular relationship, particular person, particular individual, or a family members. Okay, whatever the karmic situation is, there will be endings for the people who think that they are not happy with their marriage, they are not happy with their soulmate. Okay, so those relationship will also be coming to an end. They were like they were thinking from long time that they want to end this relationship and this connection, but they were not doing what. So end of the June will be time for action, determination, dedication, and implementation and execution for the things. Okay, so whatever you were planning, whatever you were thinking, okay, those will be coming to an end. Okay, so yes, and there will be karmic cycle, like karmic relationship. There will be people who are into karmic relationship, karmic stuff, karmic cycle. Okay, those will be coming to an end. There are people who are twin flame connections but into a separation. Those will be reconciling, reuniting, reconnecting. Okay, there will be people who are going through some major issues and stuff when it comes to career. Okay, so between 27th of June to 30th of June, they'll be gaining a clarity of how to move forward, how to take in action. So lot of major shifts, major transformation, major changes will be occurring into your life. Okay, so do not take this time very lightly. Why? Because universe is trying to tell you, let me tell you, every single person out there, we all have one angel guardian. Okay, that angel guardian helps us to protect us, okay, from negative energies, negative people around us. Okay, so if universe or if those angel guardians are giving you signals, hints, and pointing out things, if you are seeing the messages in the TV, if you are seeing the numbers 111, 222, 333, 999, 444, 777 somewhere. Okay, so do not take it lightly, because universe is giving you hints. Okay, if you are passing by on the road, or if you are going through some if you are watching a television, if you're doing some work and on computer, and some messages popped out regarding 111, 222, 333, or some messages popped out randomly. Okay, so those messages are not just a normal message. Universe is guiding you to give you hints to move forward. Okay, or to take a step towards it. Okay, so 222, 333, 444, these are numerology numbers. Okay, that I'm going to tell you about in a while. So don't take the signals lightly. Universe is trying to tell you that this is a time to take a risk, and move forward in life. Okay, whatever you want to achieve. Okay, because this is a major shifts will be happening, major transformation is happening. The people who were thinking for long for their manifestation of wishes, so wishes will be coming true for most of the zodiacs. Okay, so do not. And also one more thing, if few of the people thought that few particular things are good for them, okay, they actually thought about it, they actually assumed it. But if universe, if the divine doesn't want you to be with that particular person, that particular individual, that particular situation, that particular negative energy, okay, so you will be moving forward no matter what, because universe will create a tarot moment, like demolishing of a bad cycle, toxic situation, toxic cycle, toxic people who are not, you know, who was just there to stay just for a particular point of time, just to, you know, give you a lesson to be learned was the theme for from the universe, okay. So those were just for a particular time period, okay. They haven't they won't be staying for long, like, you know, throughout the life, okay. So do not worry about it, because this was the plan of universe, okay. So do not confuse yourself with the things, whatever is happening into your life, why this is happening with me, I am not supposed to do, like, I get messages like, you know, why I'm going through this problem, I don't know what am I going to do, I don't know how am I supposed to, you know, react to the certain situation, I'm going through a lot of confusion, I don't know, you know, if this particular relationship will work for me or not, if I'll be reconciling with my partner or not. So do not worry, if there has to be a karmic cycle which is coming to an end, that will be ending no matter what, even if you want it or doesn't want it, doesn't matter. If you universe wants you to be reconciling, it will be. If universe doesn't want you, that person should not stay into your life for anymore, they were just here to give you a, you know, lesson for your life, like how you learned about things, certain things during this struggle, okay. So do not worry about it, relax, because, you know, this is the main important time, major shifts, major transformation, major changes, a lifetime changes will be happening, which will affect you for next 6 months, 3 to 3 years, okay. And it's just a normal, this is not just normal, because major shifts will change your life positively, it will impact you positively. Even if you'll see negative in that, something positive is definitely there when it comes to those endings, those new beginnings, those new life, new journey, new path, new something very new will be happening, okay. So do not worry about it, okay, relax, because, you know, this major shifts will help you to know yourself better, it will teach you to be, you know, it will teach you for the self love and self 1 second, I am pausing this video. So guys, yeah, please, you know, do not worry about this situation, this transformation. I know you are going through, you know what, I'll tell you why. I've done so many readings. In most of the readings, major shifts, major transformation and major changes are you are going through, okay. This changes might be related to your career life, maybe related to your external life, maybe related to the life around your home, your family members, okay, maybe this changes around your soulmate, okay. So do not worry, do not panic about it, okay, because I know how tarot moments are. In most of the reading I have received tarot moments, okay. I have, like, you know, in the month of June I am receiving tarot moments in most of the readings, okay. So you will be, you know, you will be thinking, you will be questioning yourself that this situation is worse, I'm not supposed to do this, you will be thinking, you will be questioning yourself a lot, okay. There will be a peak time where you will feel very dull, very sad, very depressed, very much worried about the things, okay. And you will feel that, you know, am I supposed to do this, am I supposed to move forward in life, am I supposed to go forward into your life, into my life, how am I supposed to move in my life, okay. So just remember, this is not just happening with you, these are all the planetary conditions which is happening around you in the universe, okay. And universe wants to shift you just to give you something better into your life, okay. So if, you know, something is ending, some relationship is ending, some you know, relationship with family, either soulmate, anything which is ending, if your career is ending, if, you know, there is a full stop into your job, okay. So whatever ending is happening, that is good for you, because something positive is coming into your life, because those are the part of karmic cycle. I am telling you, during this time, whosoever was going through some karmic cycle is not everyone's cycle, okay. Karmic cycle is some spiritual karmic cycle who were going through, okay, some past life karmas which you have to deal with into this lifetime, okay. So those karmic cycles are coming to an end, okay. It might be related to career, relationship, situationship, anything it can be, okay. So those karmic cycle is coming to an end. That is coming to an whole circle, end of an whole circle, okay. And something new is coming into your life. Once the cycle comes to an end, there will be a new beginning, new life, new journey, new opportunities, new collaboration, new clients, new businesses, new finances, new relationships, new soulmate, new external environment, new job, new ambience, new direction, new choice, new decisions, okay. So this will give you a whole new perspective into your life. Your whole new perspective will be shifting for a better, like whatever old thoughts, old school thoughts you were dealing with, those perspective, you will be going through some spiritual internal transformation. So your whole thought process will be going to change, is about to get changed, okay. This month, your whole new perspective, you will develop a whole new perspective about life, a whole new perspective about journey, a whole new perspective about new beginnings, a whole new perspective about relationships. The way you used to see relationship in the past, your perspective will be changed. It will have a new perspective, like yeah, what you did in the wrong, what the other person did, and how you want to move forward with them, okay. So whole new perspective, whole major shifts, whole new life will be there, okay. So especially between 27th of June to 30th of June, there might be few zodiacs who will be going through some tarot moment, like ekdam se, it will be a sudden blast, sudden changes, drastic changes, which you were also not supposed to have, which you were also not supposing for yourself, like you were not thinking about that tarot moment, okay. And that will be very sudden changes, sudden drastic changes, like it's a person who is getting out and telling that I am leaving a house, okay. It will be that sudden. That's just an example I'm telling you. Rest of the sudden changes is that there might be a you get a call which will change your whole life, like you might be earning $1 million, okay. That might be a sudden change, drastic change into your life, into your career life, okay. So these are just two examples which I am telling you. There will be multiple examples when it comes to tarot moment. Tarot moments means sudden drastic changes, okay, which will lead you to a higher level of spiritual growth, okay. So do not worry about it, do not think about it, because those sudden changes will when you are going through this, you will be thinking, how am I supposed to do, and this pain is really bad. Whosoever is going through tarot moment, most of the zodiac signs are going through it, from Aries to Pisces, okay. So this tarot moment is not an easy task. You will go through a lot of hell of a pain, okay, hell of a questioning of yourself, okay. You will be going through hell of a depressed emotions, unfulfilled emotions, sadness, worry, okay. So you'll be going through hell lot of it, okay. So do not worry about it, because if you are going through it, there is something better, something huge, some major changes, major shifts, major transformation is waiting for you in the first week of July, okay. First week of July will be the best for you guys. Why? Because especially for the people who were dealing with karmic cycle in June, there were people who were dealing with twin flame situations, twin flame connections, the people who were dealing through for spiritual connection, spiritual cycles. So those people will be going through a beautiful new journey into their life in the first week of July, okay, because there a new beginning, new life, a whole new perspective will be there for them, okay. Yeah, and I think most of the zodiac signs are going through. It's not just a single person I can talk about, because this planet conditions, this three major eclipses which will be occurring, like on 5th of June there was a full moon, okay, on 21st of June, on 23rd of June, I guess, okay, there will be a new moon, okay. So again a major shifts will be happening. So from full moon to new moon is like transformation, internal healing, internal questioning yourself, internal changes, okay, within yourself, okay, thinking a lot about life, thinking a lot about your personal finances, confusion, conflicts, problems, depressed energy, worries, a lot of everything will be happening. But from new moon to full moon, it is all about taking action, taking new direction, taking a leap of faith, taking a risk, and moving on to a new life, new journey, new locations, new job, new business, new actions. New actions include everything which you were supposed to start, and but you couldn't. So everything, your perspective, whole new perspective will be changed. Implementation of those new perspective will happen between new moon to full moon, okay. So that is like 5th of June to 21st of June, internal transformation, internal changes, a lot of changes you are going through. And from 21st of June to 21st or 23rd of June to next month, like July, okay, 7th of July, okay. So whole new perspective will be shifting for you, like it will be all about taking action. What are you supposed to do? Major transformation, major changes, major implementation, tarot movement, action, taking action. That's the best part, okay. So I hope you guys understood why this transformation is happening, why this internal changes, internal transformation, internal shiftings are going on within you, around you, related to your career, finances, related to relationships, related to twin flame situation, related to karmic cycle, karmic situations, okay. So I hope you guys understood about it. Comment down below for the same. And yeah, this was my first information for you guys, okay. The second most important information for you guys is that okay, so there are people who wants to learn tarot learning workshop. Like I am conducting tarot learning workshop online via WhatsApp video call, Skype video call, and Zoom video calls, okay. So whosoever wants to learn tarot learning, like how to read tarot cards, how one card resonates with another card, and how to go about it, how to give an accurate reading to the readers, okay. So those people who are really want to learn tarot reading, who really are interested into it, you can enroll it. The details are given in the description box below. For the enrollment at an affordable price, you can enroll. That is a 10 days workshop, okay. Yes, and the second most important thing, yeah, if you want to become a certified tarot reader, you can register for the same. I will be giving you official certified tarot reader certification, okay. Second, if you want to become a numerologist, the people who wants to know about date of birth, who wants to know their lucky number, lucky month, your soul number, which number will be best, which color will be best for them, which alphabet will be best for them in their name and everything, okay. So numerology, alphabet numerology, normal numerology regarding number, soulmate number, lucky number, and lifetime number, special numbers, calculating the best lucky number through date of birth, and which lucky number will be best for month wise, okay. So if you want to learn tarot learning, a whole new, it's like a full course I'm teaching, okay, of numerology. Those numerology workshop will be of 15 days online via WhatsApp video call, Skype video call, and Zoom video call. So if you want to learn tarot numerology, you can register. It will be a 15 days workshop. Duration will be one and a half hours daily, and for tarot reading also it will be one and a half hours, okay. So if you want to learn numerology, kindly register, kindly enroll, okay. So the details for the enrollment is given in the description box below. The people who are my national clients, international clients, whosoever wants to register for this tarot learning and numerology workshop, you can register. The details will be given in the description box below, okay. So it will be helpful for you, because you can also start your tarot reading, okay. You can also start your numerology for other people, okay. So it will be beneficial for you. And those who are interested, those are highly intuitive, like those who really want to learn, those are really interested and passionate about this numbers of numerology and tarot reading, kindly those people only, you know, ping me up, okay? And yes, the details, all the details, further details will be given in the description box below, okay? Last but not the least, I just want to tell you, if you want to book, you know, if you want to help us with the donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Via Google Pay and PayPal you can donate. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, situationships, relationship, and anything, okay, full reading, mini reading at an affordable price. Two types of sections are there: expensive readings and affordable readings, okay? So whichever you want to register, you can, okay? You're free to do that. And third most important thing, if you want to learn in tarot learning and numerology, the details for the workshop is given in the description box below. Fourth most important thing, guys, is that we are really working hard towards, you know, hitting up 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, okay? So if you will support me, I'll be grateful to you. We'll be, you know, working together. And you know, if you are, you know, ask your friends, family and relatives to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are doing so, I'll be grateful to you all, okay? So kindly increase the subscribers and kindly help me to hit 1000 subscribers, okay? That is our target. So every single person out there, whosoever is listening to this video, if they are, you know, asking 10 people also to subscribe, okay? If they are getting us 10 subscribers from one person, okay, then we can reach to 1000 subscribers soon, okay? So I'll be grateful to you guys, and I hope you like this video. This is especially for the people who are going through some major changes, major transformation, major changes, okay? So yes, and there will be divine the people who are, you know, going through some twin flame situation, there will be divine reunions, reconciliations also for them, okay? So do not panic with this situation, do not take it easy, because this, you know, this year is all about major changes, major transformation and major actions, major shifts, okay? So, and especially this month, because, you know, a lot more people who were not taking action, they will be taking an action. So this is really an important month for every single person out there, okay? And for most of the zodiacs who are going through some tarot moment, okay? So guys, I hope you like this video, I hope this helped you out, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction. I'll be grateful to you. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.